Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha benar kam da ka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course hospital training hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam haki hospital bahedo India but shabari na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot lani khandai pran riu license arn riwe khandai pra
Urang ba snong jaga snong pilang kata ka snong ka badan hathamri bhoi hak arphotrik jule aja arphulai ulapatha I petwer gi bawan nag jala Manipur gi bawan bhoi snong shipor hakani ka snong gi dei bana pentep shigi bor san sha snong ba chaki bor pulet khanang bakan ommi gono ga jingkta ya shong suk shong san hadin habut hak jing kran bigilat pathai ku bor urang ba snong ka snong pilang kata uba Besterfield sala ulai thu ba hakini gi sngi gi dan gi petwer gi bawan nag jala Manipur man ri tangan shipor hakani ka snong bat kum ka dor ba snong kamdan ya jing persha hadin ka jing ya kendu bat kinang yalam jeng jai ben ri hamar bat ya Zumi Welfare Association banyak kran halo ko shong suk shong san jong ki petwer gi bawan poi hakani ka snong
tengila don hi ka jing ya trail bro asikato long kat bat ka jing ya tiplem bat ki bor pulir ro ge badana me po piling kata te gi numbers jeng gi bro bawan ila anang ya kontak iki na ko po man kasi ya phone ya bagi mengi kisnong ba kador ba snong kan yo ya kan nomor jang ki bro te hagajing ya kren hagajing ya le jurep jangi isem ba ki don gi bawan hadin katu anesi kelaya le phai no sigwe jaka te kampong ba kini gi bro bawan ba ki sa do hakan snong te regi iba ke pelong neki baginuan sene menamar kidon katu ane di badon di bahian kesem jeki te kalong pun ka transit iki bagin ya nanti te hatu menta apa piling kata hi ngidang don galis ka ba ngiyo menin te kidon kumba at pulai ngot te wat ni kitu at pulai ngot ro tenge so ba katkung gajing wat bene ka jungi kalong ba kine kala nang kre Malia cikilan tiya joki sedewa ipat kecaka kalau ngingim tip te hot ya kejingwan joki kiwan lamar ki don hi bahi ngasem joki te kiwan pet nak tiga we kejala Manipur te nigalian jongi kum besnong te ngi dia trian kat he bat kubor kulit bat kumjuro nga kumur ba snong mending ngala phone so GS in charge jong blok mau bade sapling kata te lanang batai ini bagi dia bang ya ke kerteng joki tertera gini sising arsing yin sanang ya ke kerteng ila ada kompai di badon te nagaliang junyi ka snong tingin habya bet kakum ka jingtha jeng di bor district te kalau ngim lahir ban ya lai marni hap trelang rekat pa di bor jeng district he ingin ya kata leti dapat ni nagaliang junyi kum ka snong tengi lại khot do gini gi nong elam joki ba kene ka jingwan na joki sene kam de ban long bakan wan ra pen ban de jing ya kini gi nok sok snong joki se kana ka thai ko me don ta nombar kana ka thai me don ba long ba ba jan e bakan ka jela asam te bakan don kan don ka jing sok jing sok sngai ni na liang joki te hot ke ga ba lap thai ni bangin le nak buat jang tengin le ikata ta ki record bat ki pulis su kita bat ki pulis su ni don hi gajinya phone gajinya tip nak buat support ta record ko bapian ko khilapan yo na police of post
we did not expect this much magnitude and we thought it's going to be just like 1 or 2 days everything will end but it was going beyond our imagination and beyond our wildest dream. So we're a little bit shocked and we're a little bit surprised. That's how I can describe how this violence has turned out. Beginning, we never want any violence to happen as such. Anything could have been sorted out. But this was something which, like I said from the beginning, which was not expected by anybody. And now till today we are, I don't know whether you have seen the video clip of the Kangpopi, where the women's on the street, on the highway, while it was raining, they are praying for peace. Everybody is praying for peace. We are not for any violence, we just want peace. Not a dead accurate figure, like you must have already interviewed the Mar tribe. Everybody is small, our tribe, they have their own welfare body. So everybody was taking care of their relatives. Very few. They just come, and it was like a transit center here for us. And for ZWA, we call it ourselves Zomi Welfare Association. We have a transit center, approximately about 95 people came. Hardly they stay for 1 week. They just go back. For the close the transit center also.